Good morning. This is MJ and I'm marketing from the Doosan, and I am happy to explain this new model of the EMO 2021. Name is SVM4100. So this machine, we say S means swift, and V means vertical, and M means machining center. So generally we have a vertical machining center, but this machine is particularly optimizing for the swift and also high-speed machining. You see here, there is a demo item with aluminum die casting for IT industry. So this machine is very optimizing for the high speed and also optimizing for the fast machining with high productivity. So look at the spindle. The spindle is very optimizing with compact machining, will reduce the inertia so that it can be possible with high acceleration and high deceleration as well. So the time from the 0 to the 12,000 RPM is only 1.2 seconds. Very fast and high productivity machine. And look at the rapid spindle for the travel. The x-axis is 1050 and y-axis is 410, so it's y-axis 410 plus, and the rapid spindle, traverse is 36 meter. Also, we're optimizing for the high acceleration and stopping, and the backside deceleration, very optimizing, so that overall the spindle and travel is optimizing for high productivity. Anyone who wants to put the rotary table on the table, it can be chips go onto the upper side. So we put the ATC side with auto door and also a brush as a standard. Hopefully this machine can be followed. You know, currently the demand industry is going to for the high productivity. Also material is going to change from the steel to the aluminum die casting with light cutting. So our SVM4100 is a perfect machine for your high productivity with light cutting machine. This model is a BVM5700 machine. So the means of a B is a bridge frame, and V means a vertical, and M means a machining center. You see that this structure, there is a bridge frame. So this is the meaning of the bridge frame, and the bridge frame is x-axis moving by column and y-axis moving by table. So generally, this bridge frame have a very higher precision and strong structure. So we expect better precision and stronger performance with this BVM5700 machine. So look at the spindle. The spindle is really looking strong and compact. This machine, the spindle is 15,000 RPM with the built-in spindle, and this built-in spindle make higher torque up to 214. So 214 torque can be possible. So if we see the demo item, this is a die mold item, so we can make very higher precision and higher surface, but not only higher surface accuracy, but also it can be possible very powerful heavy duty cutting as well. So I can say this BVM5700 can be possible all-round machine, higher all-round machine for precision, for the heavy duty cutting, both of them. So when we cutting for heavy duty cutting, we need easier chip remover. So if you see the bottom of the machine, there is the left and right the screw for the easy chip remover. Also, ATC is on the here this side, and this is for 40 ATC can be possible. So this is 30 and 40 as an optionally for the automatic tube changer. So make sure that this BVM 5700 might be your best machine for your higher performance and accuracy business. This new model is we call VCF 5500L. So looking this model, it's a column moving type and the table is fixed, so that this kinds of column moving type can be set the workpiece as a more stable setting on the table, because if the table is fixed. So the x-axis for this model is 2.2 meter and the y-axis is 550, like so 550 millimeter class. So anyone who wants cutting for the long parts, or also we can here there is a partition so that we can do a processing one at the one side, and also we can do a processing two at the other side. So it's good for saving the setting time, so it can be a higher productivity for the customer. So here there is the spindle, and this is 18.5 kilowatt, and also the speed is up to 12,000 RPM. So anyone who wants to a general production with a vertical machining center, but who want to be long parts on short part together, and also doing a setting at the one time for one side or second side, can be possible at one machine. So it can be doing a diversity machining, and also we can call it's multi-purpose machine. So anyone, the customer who want to, can be easy changing the part and also doing a lot of job at this one machine. The VCF 5500L will be perfect machine for you. This time I will introduce the new model SMX2100ST. So our SMX is multitasking turning center. So if you see the every units, there is a left spindle and right spindle, and also there is B axis can be together for milling, cutting, and also there is powerful turret is at the bottom side. So overall, you see the here really compact machine, but I will introduce why this SMX2100 is really powerful machine. There is a really high specification of B axis. It's a 18.5 kilowatt, and it can be doing a milling, cutting with a diversity angle for left spindle and right spindle together. And here there is a main spindle, and also there is a sub spindle together. Each of the spindle is power 18.5 kilowatt, and also the torque of the power is almost 470 Newton per meter. It's really huge torque. So not only this, we put equal compact spindle for left and right side together. So if the customer wants the same job at the right side or right side, we can expect same power for both of spindle. So we usually, the customer can cutting one process at the left spindle and the next process at the right spindle together. So if any automation cut as a part feeder at the left side, we can feeding the workpiece and cutting one process, and second process at the right spindle, and also there is part unloader. So for part unloader can unloading when the workpiece is finished cutting, and we can move to the next. So hole from the feeder and unloader is automatically at one machine. That is why we call it multitasking high productivity machine. And also finally, there is the really powerful turret, and it's the BMT55P. So even it's 8-inch class multitasking machine. We put really high specification and powerful machine for each spindle and turret as well. So also here, there is the magazine. So it's a 14 magazine, and it can be possible for 18 magazine and also up to 120 magazine as well. So anyone who wants to cutting multi-axis with very complicated figures can be cutting by this one machine, and this powerful compact machine will be best for your business.